Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by saving the WhatsApp picture and immediately duplicating it so you never touch the original. Next, open a mobile editor with a healing or spot removal tool. Snapseed is free and effective. Once the image is loaded, zoom in to about 2 times to see strokes clearly and set small brush sizes. This makes the algorithm match texture better. Make sure to enable undo or history snapshots so you can compare before and after and revert if a repair. You now remove the doodle using short, deliberate strokes with the healing tool. Small patches blend far more naturally than large wipes. When the healer blurs fine patterns or edges, switch to a clone tool and sample a nearby clean area, then paint over the mark to preserve structure. Once done, pan across the image at actual size and fix any seams or mismatched color by repeating small heals and clones. Remember to toggle between tools. They complement each other for clean results. You finish by exporting a high-quality copy and comparing it side by side with the original to confirm no detail was lost. Once done, apply gentle sharpening and subtle color correction if the repaired area looks softer. If you see halos or repeating texture, common artifacts, redo only those small zones, try a different source sample for cloning, or use a patch tool to rebuild texture. If problems persist, get a cleaner photo or higher resolution file. Sometimes heavy doodles cannot be perfectly removed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.